Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to be cooking something really special, really summery and really delicious. It's a Caesar salad. Hope you enjoy this video. Please stay till the end, and these are the ingredients that we're going to need. I'm going to be using about 4 tablespoons full of this lovely mayonnaise, and instead of lemon juice this time I'm going to use white wine vinegar. Now you want some really hard cheese, some hard Italian type cheese, and I've made my own croutons. There's a link up in the top right hand corner, please check this out. 2 garlic cloves, some anchovies in a tin, and of course we're going to need some lovely chicken breasts. These are 2 quite large chicken breasts that I've got here, and last but not least, a lovely crisp romaine lettuce. I'm going to use the oil from the anchovies to cook the chicken in, waste not want not, plus it'll add the anchovy flavour to the whole dish. In we go with the chicken breast. I'm going to give this about 5 or 10 minutes on this side. They're pretty large. I've got the heat on medium, and then flip these over to do the other side. Make sure these are cooked right through. And grate the hard cheese. I love this stuff. Now we've got to slice the garlics really thinly and then chop them, and then after I've chopped and you're happy with that, give them a little quick mush with the flat of the knife. Do the same with the anchovies, nice and small. There we go. And then just rub the knife over just to get the juices flowing. Mix the 2 together and a final chop. Get them all together like this. Then into a jug we go with our mayonnaise, about 4 large tablespoons, that's what I've used here. Then our white wine vinegar. Then the anchovies and the garlic, pop that in. Give this a good whiz up. Now to be honest, if this is too thick, you can always add a drop more white wine vinegar or even some olive oil just to loosen it a bit. Then with the romaine heart lettuce, I'm going to cut this in half, then in half again. Then when that's done, I'm going to chop these quite finely, like this. There we go, that's perfect. Cut the chicken diagonally across the breast, and once you've done this we can cut these pieces again. We don't want them too small, but you know, we don't want them too big either. Just a comfortable size. There we go. That'll do nicely. Assemble the dish in a large bowl, going firstly with the crispy lettuce, followed by your mayonnaise mixture. Scrape it out of the bowl, don't miss any. In with the chicken, in with your hands. This is the only way to do it properly. Give it a real good mix, cover everything in there with the lovely delicious mixture, and then we can plate up. Put our croutons over the top, and then of course our grated hard cheese. This really finishes it off and gives it a wonderful taste, which I'm going to find out right now. There we go, that's a tasty piece. Well, that really is delicious. Excuse me talking, my mouth full. But I'm going to have some more in a minute. That is really tasty, really refreshing. I know it's not a drink, but I've got to say it's refreshing. It's tasty, it's crisp, it's lovely, and great for the summer. Please try this for yourself. Watch this video, copy what I do, and I'm sure you'll thoroughly enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you again next time. Don't forget, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.